Good day everyone. Today we received a laptop from one of our local church that came in for repair. That the laptop is an HP 250 G8. The laptop was booked in as coming on with no display. So what I want to do, here we have a power supply. It's 19.3 volts, 3.6 amps. So what I will do, where's the charging port? Here is the charging port. And it's taking 235 milliamps. We do have the orange light here. Let's try to power on. Now it's taking 1.3. That means the laptop is charging. From this conclusion, we can conclude that the E.C chip is working. The BQ chip is communicating with the E.C chip because we have normal charging current. Pressing the power on button, the current jumped to almost 1.9 and the laptop is on. How is that possible? This laptop was booked in as no display. Your device, what? Oh, so what do you think is the problem? You see those lines? What is the problem of this laptop? Here's a tricky case. Why the screen is doing like this? This laptop I don't think is right. You see those those lines? Okay. Let's get inside this laptop. These are some kind of weird faults. When everything is okay on the power side, but still the laptop is not working. Do you have a fault drive here? Which I believe we have a M2 SSD drive inside, or this can be a RAM issue. We might have a partial dead RAM. Let me stick it here. Let's check out all the screws. I'm curious just to know why this laptop is doing like this. The back cover is out. Let's see if this laptop here, we still have light, it's on. And you see those showers. Check on the screen. We have those showers. So let's power off this laptop. So my question is, what is causing those showers? Huh? Let me change the slot of the RAM. What else we can do? I want to check on the screen connector here. We do have the screen connector. The motherboard looks fine. No sign of water damage, no anything. So what we have done so far, I just refit the connector for the screen and change the position of the RAM. Let's power on again, on. It is coming on. I want to see those showers. This can be the screen, a 40 screen, can be the cable, the LVDS screen cable, can be the RAM issue. I don't think those showers is because of a dead RAM memory. I don't think so. I don't think so. And it's loading Windows. Yeah, the laptop is now on. The mouse is working. I'm sure even the keyboard, everything is responding here. Yeah, the keyboard is responding. So, a question to everyone: what was the problem for this screen to have like lines? Because what we have done here, let me power off. Let me move the screen. It's no longer doing those showers. Let's power off the laptop. So what we have done here, we relocate the RAM memory. We have DDR4 4 gig RAM. It was on this slot. We put it here. So let's put back this RAM to this slot. Let me put back the RAM to its original slot, and we want to see whether the problem is emanating from the RAM or the screen ribbon cable was not properly inserted. Maybe we have a slot problem. It's very possible. We have turned off the laptop, but it's not displaying, and the caps lock is not working. Here the laptop is on. You can see this LED light is on, but it's not working. Off. So my question is, why this slot is not responding? On the other slot, on, and the laptop is working. So we have a fault slot. This laptop is misbehaving because of a fault RAM slot. Let me power off the laptop. Off. Let's check out this slot under microscope. What can be fault on this slot? It's good to know. That is slot for the RAM. Here. Broken pin. This looks like water damage here. Some slight drop of water damage. I think what we can do, is to clean this slot. I can't see like broken pin or anything, but all what we need to do, maybe we can clean this. Let's see, because I'm just curious why this slot is not working. Because from the old look of things, this laptop died because of a fault RAM slot. So after cleaning, let's take back this RAM to its original state and try once. On. The laptop, it is on. But still, it's not working. It's on. If you check here, we have an LED here. It's on, but it's not displaying. But if you put it on the other side, it's displaying. So what we can do, let's just put this RAM this side, and we close the laptop, because here the customer is using only one RAM memory, so there's no reason why I should strain up myself trying to find out why that slot is not working. Because on the other side it's working fine. You can see the HP log and it's loading Windows. The laptop, as you can see, is on. No showers, no anything. So off the laptop. Let me power off the laptop. So that was the problem. So I'll put all together. But at least we have learned something. How a faulty RAM slot can kill the laptop display. I'm sure here either we have one pin which is corroded, or one of the pins is no longer contacting with the motherboard, and we might have like a loose connection on one of the pins, but it's not important because we have one 4 gig DDR4 RAM here. So why should I strain myself trying to fix this slot if the laptop can work fine without putting the RAM here, unless if the customer is looking for an upgrade. But I'll consider this as a fix. It's good to know that a 40 RAM slot can kill the laptop, like coming on with no display, no picture. So what I will say, like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives, ex-boyfriends and girlfriends. See you on the next one. Bye.